Welcome to another video, and today I will teach you how to export your file in Premiere Pro HD. Totally amazing, and let's get right into the video. So first off, you have your file here, right? So as you can see, this is my video. Let's say this is the edited video. First off, what you need to do is go to the beginning of the video, click I, and as you can see, now you have this kind of a highlighted area, and now go to the end of your video and click O, and this will actually be this highlighted area is basically what you're going to be editing. So what you're going to be rendering actually. So first off, go to File, go to Export, go to Media, and right now this is the export settings that you can see. As you can see, you can again adjust however you want here, but first of all, let's go to Format. Format is going to be H.264. H.264 is the format. So again, comments, preset, don't touch this anything. You go into the video and just make sure that it's 1080p, which is 1920 by 1080 width and height. You can also, if you want, you can also take this out and just change these numbers here, but I'm not going to be messing with that right now. So first of all, go scroll down, and now what you want to do here is, if you don't have this right like that, go 10 and 12, and as you can see down there is your file format. Now this file format is really crucial, because if you increase this, the file format will increase, as you can see. So be sure to make this 10 and make this down 12. So this is the better quality for less file size, so for lower file size, which is great because YouTube already compresses videos, so it's great for you to use that. Now you don't need to mess up with this video is VR, because R is not VR. In advanced settings you can just hide that. And our audio, you can go to audio and just make sure that sample rate is 48 and 30 Hz. So 48K is basically the default, and yeah, don't mess with this, just make it stereo. And again, be sure that your video is 1080p like this, or if it's 720p, whatever you're recording, in whatever frame you're recording. And yeah, basically this is it. Just hit export. Now you can also publish here to Adobe Creative Cloud, Behance, Facebook. As you can see, let me just make it like this. But anyways, yeah, I will show this in another video. I will just want to make sure that you know that there is a lot of ways that you can publish a video. And again, go to the effects, go to the export, and the video is rendered. Now I will exit out because I'm not going to this video, but anyways, this is it. This is how you can create, how you can actually edit and export the video. Really simple and high quality. So remember, format is H.264, the best format, personally the best format that I use in Premiere Pro CC 2017. Thank you guys for watching.